Hi, in this video I am going to talk about JavaScript object. So, what is JavaScript object? In JavaScript, there are 8 data types. First 7 is a primitive data type and last is non-primitive data types. So, JavaScript object is a non-primitive data type and it is a collection of multiple types of data. In this, data is stored in key and value form. So, let's see an example of JavaScript object. To create is empty object, we can write like this: let user, and after that curly bracket. So this is how we declare a JavaScript object. Here you can see this is the empty, and this is the empty object. They can also add some property in this like this. What I have to do here, like I want to add property name, someone is 30. So here you can see name and age is property. There are two properties. After each property, we have to write comma. If you want to access this property, then you can use dot notation. So how to access this property inside it? If you want to access name property, then you have to write like this: user dot name. This is how you access properties of a object. Let's console. As you can see, output is Aman. Now let's see what inside user. So this is an object, and here you can see properties of object. Again, if you want to assign new properties, so how you can do this? Let's see in an example. Like you want to add another property, user, the gender. So, and gender is male. So it will set new property inside user object. Let's console it. As you can see, newer properties, gender. This is how you can set new properties in JavaScript. Now, what if you want to delete an property? So let's see an example of delete. To delete a property, you can use delete operator. To delete a property, you have to use delete operator. So let's see an example of this. Like you want to delete name. So how to do this? You have to delete all this. Delete user dot name. Now user name property will be deleted from user. Now let's console it. See, name property deleted. Now only age property is left. So this is how you can delete a property from the object. And you can also use multiple properties from object. So let's see how to do this. Like Here, to use multi-property, you have to write inside code. So it's married. I am going to set it to, and after that I have to use comma. But if you want to access this property, so dot notation is not going to work in this case, because if you try to access using dot notation, then it will throw an error. So how to access this kind of property? To access this kind of property, you must have to use a square bracket notation. So let's see example of square bracket notation, how it works. So like console user sorry, I have to write it inside the single quotes. So you can see output is true. So this is how you can assign multiple property. And the thing is, it also works with single word property. So I'm going to test it. Me. So this you can see Aman output. So there are two ways to access the property using dot notation, and second one is square bracket. So this is all about JavaScript object. In my next video, I will talk about more how JavaScript object work. Thank you.